Welcome to this updated tutorial on how to pin a message in WhatsApp, ensuring it stays at the top of your chat for 24 hours. This feature is incredibly useful for keeping important information easily accessible, whether it's a reminder, a crucial piece of information, or a key link. First, let's get started by opening the WhatsApp app on your device. Once you're in, navigate to the chat where the message you want to pin is located. This could be a personal conversation or a group chat. Either way, the steps are the same. Now, locate the specific message you want to keep at the top of your chat. This might be a text message, an image, or even a poll. To pin it, simply long tap on the message until you see a menu appear at the top of your screen. This action selects the message and gives you additional options. Next, look at the top right corner of your screen and tap on the three dots. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, select Pin. WhatsApp will then ask you how long you want the message to remain pinned. You have three options: 24 hours, 7 days, or 30 days. For this tutorial, choose 24 hours. Once you've selected the duration, tap Pin again to confirm. You'll now see the message pinned at the top of your chat, making it easy to access without having to scroll through the entire conversation. This feature is especially useful in group chats where important information can easily get lost in the flow of messages. Pinning messages is not only convenient but also helps keep your chats organized. If you need to unpin a message, simply long tap on the pinned message and select Unpin from the menu. WhatsApp also allows you to pin up to 3 messages in a single chat, making it even more versatile for managing important information. By following these simple steps, you can ensure that your most important messages stay front and center in your WhatsApp chats. Whether you're using WhatsApp for personal or professional purposes, this feature can save you time and reduce the hassle of searching through lengthy conversations. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.